Welcome to Gemara for Children. I would like to begin by learning today's 5 new words of Gemara. Word number 1 is hinuach, which means placed. Word number 2 is batzir, which means less. Word number 3 is bei dare, which means threshing floor. Word number 4 is askinan, which means dealing with. And word number 5 is tircha, which means effort. Before we continue with the next steps of the Gemara, I would like to first clarify 2 very important points regarding the titles that are given to the Chachamim, to the rabbis that lived in the times of the Mishnayos and in the Gemara. Point number 1 is that all of the rabbis that lived in the times of the Mishnayos are called a Tana, or in plural, Tanaim. And the rabbis that lived in the times of the Gemara are called a Amoira, or in plural, Amoiraim. Point number 2 is that both in the times of the Mishnayos and in the times of the Gemara, some of the Chachamim lived in Eretz Yisrael, and some of them lived in Bavel. Especially in the Gemara, our Gemara is called Talmud Bavli, the Gemara that was compiled from the Chachamim that lived in Bavel. So the question is, how do we know where this person lived? So we can figure out where they lived also from their title. For example, if a Tana or a Amoira lived in Eretz Yisrael, then a title to their name was Reish Beis Yud Rebbi. Like in our Gemara, the first Amoira that we quote is Rebbi Yitzchak. He was an Amoira that lived in Eretz Yisrael. However, the Tanoim and Amoraim that lived in Bavel, their title was Reish Beis Rav. Like the second name quoted in our Gemara, Rav Ukva Bar Chama, he was an Amoira that lived in Bavel.